Today on Lone Star Grillz, we're making an incredible stuffed bacon cheddar burger. Loaded inside, loaded on top, and smoked to perfection on the Lone Star Grillz El Fuego trio. To build this burger, you'll need a piece of parchment paper and a baking ring. This baking ring is about 1.25 inches in thickness and about 4.5 inches wide, which is the perfect size for almost any burger bun. Use fresh, never frozen 80/20 ground beef or ground chuck and begin by building a base around the edges of the baking ring. Remember to press down only firmly enough for it to take shape. Once you have your base and your edges built up, stuff this with some pre-cooked bacon and cheddar cheese. Then continue building up your burger. You'll need a little over a half pound of meat for this recipe. Once the burger is fully formed, remove the ring and pat down those top edges to get that perfect burger shape. Then season the top of this generously with our LSG Texas Fusion. And just like that, this burger is ready to go. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for triple fire grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. We'll be using the pellet side today and cooking at a temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to use the exhaust vent on the left side of the lid, and once fully preheated, get your burger on, close the lid, and begin cooking. Total cook time is approximately 1 hour, so be sure to flip that burger about halfway through. This recipe requires a medium or a medium well doneness to be sure everything inside is melted beautifully. We're looking for temperatures around the burger edges of about 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you hit your target temperatures, begin to melt more cheddar cheese and toast your burger bun. Then serve this directly onto the bottom bun, add more bacon, and leave all those veggies for the rabbits. This burger has broad shoulders, incredible flavor, and texture. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and of course, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below.